padulong ta diri sa may mapaso diri lang na sa Santiago, Agusan del Norte. So kay ingon sa akong mga kauban nindo to dira kay mapaso no, init daw ang tubig. Padulong na mi karon dito. And shout out to Class Pinagsanib, As Maragtas. Let's go.
Every day and every night, life is a journey full of spices. Gotta savor every slice. I have surprises round the corner. I can't predict.
Really nga konti usay nga lugar. Kuan nga lapas in cello. Uri ikaw dring nga pasote. Oni mapasto. Lama kita ul mapasote. Init man, init. Ay laba init man ang tubig.
Tanawon karon ko unsa gid ka init ang tubig diri Atong tryan guys. So ang katulad dito sa ubos, pool nila. Kaya pag daw to ang liguan ang gid mismo nga makafeel ka og init. Mapil nimo ang init kung napayang ug sa imo. Oh my God! Wow!
In every moment, my love will be attentive, concealed forever, always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your boat. I'd say.
First time mo dito, first time?
First time.
Taga saan ka?
Taga Marihatan, Sulsur.
Mabuti nakarating kayo na ano, no?
Oo nga, pero okay, maganda yung one.
Anong masabi mo sa lugar?
Maganda. Nature ba, nature? Okay, mainit talaga.
In heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that burns, an eternal show. In every moment, my love will be attentive, concealing forever, always, every moment. Even in the face of greatest charm, my thoughts will be all yours, my motto one. And when the search comes at the end of the road, be it death, be it loneliness, I'll be your boat. I'd say that it's not immortal, but a flame that grew. For the love we shared, so intense and true, doesn't need to be eternal to be fruitful too. In memory and heart, it'll forever glow, like a flame that